Here comes our next question. Which river of India is called as Vridhganga? Vridhganga is known as Godavari. B option is correct. Which one of the following rivers of peninsular India does not join Arabian Sea? The river is Kaveri that does not join Arabian Sea. B option is correct. The Loktak Lake, on which a hydroelectric project was constructed, is situated in the state of Manipur. B option is correct. The river which is northwest flowing towards the Arabian Sea is Kaveri. Tehri Dam is being constructed on river Bhagirathi. C option is correct. Which one of the following states does not form part of Narmada River Basin? The state is Rajasthan. B option is correct. According to a report in the science journal Nature Geoscience, 24 out of 33 deltas in world are sinking and thus shrinking. The Indian delta in the greater peril category is, the delta is Krishna. D option is correct. Next question. On the tributary of which river has Rihand Dam been constructed? It has been constructed on Son River. Sivasamudram Falls is found in the course of river Kaveri. Rihand Dam project provides irrigation to UP and Bihar. Which is the longest irrigation canal in India? It is Indira Gandhi Canal. The river Indus originates from Kailash range. Which one of the following rivers of India does not make a delta? The river is Tapti that does not make a delta. D option is correct. Which of the following rivers has its source outside India? The river is Brahmaputra. A option is correct. Surat is situated on the banks of the river. It is situated on the banks of the river Tapti. A option is correct. Guwahati is situated on the banks of the river Brahmaputra. B option is correct. Surat is located on the banks of the river Tapti. D option is correct. Hirakund Dam has been constructed across the river Mahanadi. B option is correct. The originating point of river Godavari is Nashik. A option is correct. The largest Moshandari Dam has been constructed on the river. It has been constructed on the river Krishna. The dispute about the Mulla Periyar Dam concerns which state? It concerns state Tamil Nadu and Kerala. The Kongentrix power project is located in Karnataka. The river Brahmaputra is known as Des as it enters Arunachal Pradesh. It is known as the Hang as it enters Arunachal Pradesh. B option is correct. The river Ganga has two major sources. It has two major sources. The one is Bhagirathi and the second is Alaknanda. A option is correct. The Alamatti Dam is constructed on the river Krishna. C option is correct. The Nagarjuna Sagar project is constructed on the river Krishna. The largest estuary in the India is at the mouth of river Hooghly. A option is correct. The joint river valley venture of India and Nepal is Koshi. D option is correct. Meghna is combined stream of which two rivers? It is the combined stream of Ganga and Brahmaputra. The option is correct. Where is the Rana Pratap Sagar Dam built? It has been built on river Chambal. B option is correct. The river which joins Ganga from southern side. The river is Son that joins Ganga from southern side. C option is correct. Which of the following rivers flows from east to west and makes an estuary? The river is Narmada that flows east to west and makes an estuary. The Brahmaputra originates from which of the following glaciers? You will have to answer this question in the comment section. Next question. The first hydroelectric power plant in India was set up at Shivasamudram. B option is correct. The first multi-purpose project of independent India is Damodar. B option is correct. Which river is under dispute involving Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Gujarat? The river is Narmada River. The Pong Dam is constructed on the river Bias. C option is correct. Which is the world's longest entirely lined irrigation canal? It is Sardar Sarovar project. D option is correct. The Chukha power project was built by India by Bhutan. This delta is the largest in the world. The delta is Ganga Brahmaputra delta. Now from origin to the delta, the Brahmaputra traverses to Bhutan, Nepal and India? B option is correct. What name does Brahmaputra take as it discharges into the Bay of Bengal? The name is Meghna. D option is correct. Which is the river on which Indira Sagar Dam is planned to be constructed? This question will be answered by you in the comment section. Next question. The highest dam in India, Bhakra, is built on. It is built on Satluj River. The Soro of Bihar is known as Koshi. B option is correct. The town which is situated at the confluence of Bhagirathi and Alaknanda is Deoprayag. B option is correct. An important river of the Indian desert is Luni. A option is correct. The Nagarjun Sagar Dam is constructed on the river Krishna. Which one of the following rivers from an estuary? The river is Narmada, that is from an estuary. Shiv Samudra is an island formed by the river Kaveri. Nashik is situated on the bank of the river Godavari. Srinagar is located on the bank of river Indus. The river which is used for inland waterways in India is Ganga. Match the following rivers: Gomati, Brahmaputra, Godavari, Kaveri, and the name of the towns: Guwahati, Rajamundry and Tiruchirappalli and Lucknow. We will have to match all these with their towns, all these rivers with their towns. So the first river is Gomti. Gomti is associated with Lucknow. Godavari is associated with Guwahati. Kaveri, Brahmaputra is associated with Guwahati. Godavari is associated with Rajamundry and Kaveri is associated with Tiruchirappalli. C option is correct. Next question. The river on which the reservoir of Indira Gandhi Canal has been built on. It has been built on Satluj. Consider the following pairs: tributary and main river. Tributaries have been given here: Chambal and Narmada, Son and Yamuna, Manas and Brahmaputra. Which of the pairs given above are correctly matched? So the pair that is correctly matched is Manas and Brahmaputra. C option, Manas and Brahmaputra, and also Son and Yamuna. C option is correct here. Next question. Dams and rivers have been given here: Hirakund, Pong Dam, Tihri Dam and Thaim Dam, and their rivers have been given here: Bias, Bhagirathi, Ravi and Mahanadi. You will have to answer this question in the comment section. Next question. The longest dam in India is Hirakund Dam. Kaveri water sharing is a dispute between Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Which place is located on the water divide between the Indus and the Ganges river system? It is the place Ambala. Which of the following rivers is not the tributary of Ganga? The river is Indravati, that is not the tributary of Ganga. Which one of the following rivers in India has been declared as the national river? The river is Ganga. The world's highest rail bridge being constructed in the state of J&K will be on which of the following river? It will be on the river Chenab. Which river flows between the Satpuras and the Vindhyas? The river is Narmada. D option is correct. The Idukki hydroelectric plant is on river Periyar. The river in India known as the open seaway is this question will be answered by you. Which one of the following is the origin of the Brahmaputra river? It is Chemayungdung. D option is correct. Next question. Salal is the hydropower project in Jammu and Kashmir. The river known as Padma in Bangladesh is Ganga. In annular pattern, river flows like a ring. C option is correct. Which river in India flows in a rift valley? The river is Narmada. The longest river of peninsular India is Godavari. The highest drainage basin associated with the peninsular river in India is Krishna. Which one of the following rivers flows between Vidya Satpura ranges? The river is Narmada. Which of the following water bodies is not a freshwater resource? It is Yamuna river. C option is correct. Which river serves the largest cultivable area? The river is Ganga. The largest freshwater in India is Vular Lake. Which of the following river does not originate in Indian territory? The river is Brahmaputra. Which was the first hydel power project in India? It was Samudram in Karnataka. C option is correct. Rajasthan Canal receives water from which of the following rivers? It receives water from Satluj,